He's got his detailer's mom works for him at the house, and she knows things about cars and can help us. We're heading to a customer's house that has a lot of very high-end cars, but we're picking up a 16M Scuderia. The battery's dead, so we're gonna replace that, and Zach's gonna knock that out. We're gonna take it back to the shop. I think it has a couple warning lights on, do a full service, and get it right back to where it should be.
What?
It smells so good.
Oh, all the grease and the cheese.
Yeah, I know. The best but worst smell. Especially when you're trying to eat healthy.
I got this one.
Yeah, they do a great job. Yeah. It went off. I can put my gym bag in the back.
Yeah, here, right, I got this.
Yeah, we'll,
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I don't know if we can go do the thing.
I'm like, yeah, we promised.
Yeah, I don't know how it works.
Thank you so much.
We gotta...
Awesome. Thank you so much. You're all so sweet.
Well, that was fast. Really fast. We basically just dropped off, I don't know, how many pizzas was it?
12 extra large
12
pizzas,
extra large pizzas.
2 pans for salad, and then 100 pieces of toasted raviolis.
I think it was more than 100 pieces. I think it was anyway, it's a lot of ravioli. It feeds 100 people. That's what it was. So we're at Barnes Jewish in St. Louis. Probably the biggest hospital I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was to the ICU unit, obviously, probably the most, the big unit that's most tasked with all the work with the virus and everything going on. So they probably need it more than most. All right, it's been a long day. We've done a lot so far. We went and picked up the Ferrari that we were going to service, which was a Scuderia 16M. However, when we were there, the owner also wanted his 458 Speciale serviced as well. So we got both of them back to the shop. We have a Raptor getting completely wired up for some light bar action. We did an oil change on BMW. Most importantly, we got our food down to Barnes St. Louis, excuse me, for the ICU unit. And now we're just doing some custom fab exhaust that Dakota's banging out. He's got some artwork going. What's up, buddy?
Ah, see this handiwork.
Yep, just got done with a Y. Custom little Y section. Got my clocking marks there, so when I pull the exhaust system down, you line those lines up like that, and it gets your clock position. And I still got to do a little work to eliminate this gap here, so I can TIG weld it.
Sweet.
This actuator that rotates that arm back, or that light bar back and forward, is maybe possibly not working. I don't know. She ain't actuating right. It wasn't working. We're trying to make it work.
Heidi, do you concur?
Yeah.
How long has it been sitting? About 2 years.
I think it's been longer than that, but I think it's probably been sitting about 4 years.
No, it hasn't been that long. All right, you saw this 82 Corvette come in. It needs a little bit of work. We're definitely up for the challenge. We've been dying to get our hands on a project like this. It's essentially going to be a full restoration. Interior, exterior, engine bay. Got full underneath, all seals, all the rubber, everything. New tires, we're going to restore the wheels, everything from front to back, top to bottom, we're going to redo. It's going to be a great project over the next few months, so it'll be a lot of fun to follow this along. This lady's owned this car since '84, so had it a lot of years. She's going into retirement. This is going to be a perfect retirement gift to herself.